People spend their whole lives chasing something. Some chase power, others chase love, and a few just chase a place to belong. But no matter how far we run, life always finds a way to remind us that nothing lasts forever. The people we love, the moments we cherish, even the pain we try so hard to escape, they all pass with time, and that's what makes them precious. True strength isn't about how hard you can hit. It's about how gently you can keep living, even when life keeps breaking you. It's easy to lose hope when the world feels cold, but if you can still smile, even a little, you've already won something no one can take away. So keep walking, keep dreaming, keep loving even when it hurts, because that's what it means to be alive. Leave behind a story that reminds someone else that even in a world this cruel, there's still beauty left to find.